Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the numbers are in the market share for the different versions of Windows 10. And so what happened between August and September is this. So in August, the version 1903 of the May 2019 update had 33%. It had tripled in market share. Well, this time it's not as dramatic, but it's still a good rise. Windows 10 1903, the May 2019 update, is now on 45.5% of PCs. So almost half of all of you out there using Windows 10 are now moved to this version. But that also means that almost half of you, well, a little more than half of you, still aren't there yet. The second most popular version of Windows 10 is the October 2018 update, version 1809 at 25.5, and the last third place is April 2018 update 1803 at 24.1%. Now, the major chunk of users that moved to 1903 are the ones that are actually on the version 1803. So, that push that Microsoft is doing because you guys are soon to expire on your versions of Windows, well, that's exactly what's happening. The version of Windows is actually being pushed to you basically because the security updates will expire in November, which is only a couple of months away. So it's interesting to see these numbers. The Windows Insiders are 0.3% chunk. The older versions are just a few percents. So if you look at 45.5 plus 25.5, that's 71%, plus 24.1, that's 95.1%. 95% actually of everybody out there are on the three last versions of Windows 10, which is good. Really a good thing because you don't want to be left off with older versions. So it's interesting to see these numbers. It's going to be interesting to see also as we get closer to the 1803 last updates in November, where we are going to be at. And as we move on also with 19H2 coming, this is going to be something interesting. 19H2 might possibly be the new version of Windows 10 when the next numbers come out at the end of October. Plus we'll have 20H1 and a lot of things happening. And we'll talk also about the market share of Windows in general, the adoption rate of Windows 10. There's interesting numbers in there also. As we move closer also to Windows 7, that will be, of course, retired in January. So 45.5% is the new number for September of 2019 of the May 2019 update. So roughly almost half of you are now on the new version, but a good chunk, still a little more than half of you guys, are still behind on the older versions for now. So kind of interesting to see these numbers move around. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.